Yeah, for sure. I mean, you don't have. I mean, you don't have to, right? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
most have to learn because you gotta like most people just learn through pain. But I
It's
don't
true.
think. But I don't think it's necessary if you learn from the mistakes of others. I mean, that's at least ideally.
Try and minimize that pain.
But it is human. Yeah, we've talked about this, Marita. Me and Marita have talked about this. Yeah, even myself, like I have to feel the pain. Like I would, but just try not to make the same mistakes twice.
How's the NFT world? Anything new going on there?
That's more or less the same right now.
What's going on, Dan? What's up for the weekend? What did I say on Dogecoin? Not much. Oh, you know what? I think I want to see a lot of people make money, and then I want to see them go spend it. That's what I think about Dogecoin. Yeah, that's up to them. Some will hold, some will lose. Some of them will sing the blues, as the Journey song says.
Hey Jay, let me take the dog keeps. Hold on, she's been pissing in the
Go,
house. Let me take her
go,
out.
go,
Yeah,
go, go, go,
before
go.
the tilt compounds even more.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, go, go, go,
Before the
brother. I
yeah.
got it. Oh man, Ray keeps a pretty clean apartment too. I could just see if that would not be a good sign. It's okay, these markets are. I remember where the one retail trade I took and it didn't work out. I still remember it. That's the one where the guy was hiding in the closet selling stock on two cell phones, and we were buying at $5. And I was happy because I had only bought 1,000 shares of the garbage, and I sold it and I lost like I don't know $600 or something like that. And I'll never forget that because we had all this buying lined up. This bastard backdoored $11 million worth of stock into our buying. And I was a rookie, so I didn't really lose that much, but other people lost a lot of money. It was when emails just started working for promoting stock. And there was a company, and it was called the Next Future Superstock. Probably none of you guys ever remember. It was the very first email tout, 1997, and this was his last deal. Let me see. What symbol did you guys want? Uber, right? What is the symbol on that piece of garbage? UBER? I think so. So anyway, this guy, the bids were coming through on the desk, and my buddy in Florida was calling me, and it was $5. And I remember because we were selling, we're selling for the Swiss bank, and so I've got the firm out of Staten Island, and they've got their Florida office, and they're showing me bids, and I'm like, I'm five bid. I'm like, well, how much? He goes, how much do you want to sell? 200,000 shares done. You got any more? That's how much buying it was. The buying was just coming in like crazy. And the guy who was in charge of the deal, who told everybody to buy it, disappeared. And we couldn't find him anywhere. So they sent me, he was a broker at a firm called Canaccord. And they sent me up to his office, and his assistant didn't know where he was, and nobody could find him. So I'm looking around, I'm walking down the hallway, and I hear a voice. And I open the door, and he's hiding in a janitor's closet with two or three cell phones. And he's selling stock from his offshore account into everybody's buying. Yep. And that is Vancouver and how it works. That sounds very shady. Oh, yeah. It's about as shady as it gets. It's about as shady as it gets. Standard operating procedure. So anyway, this guy, he made like 11, 12 million bucks. He screwed everybody. And then he bought a brand new Mercedes and showed up to lunch one day and parked it right outside. And then bailed. Exactly. And when the check came for lunch, he bailed. Oh, and then he's got even a more colorful history. I'll tell you one of these days, you guys. This guy was a character. Very smart, but just evil. So there are the balance zones for Uber. So it's right at the top of this zone. And what you want to do is you want to take the middle of this. And if it holds the middle, then it should curl its way up. What else did you guys want to see? PLNHF. You got enough symbols there? Oh, coin caught a bid. PLNHF. So, what are we looking at? Oh yeah, I just so you guys know, I don't really I don't condone this stuff. This is OTC other, and has it even traded today? And what was the other one? INVU. You know, the INVU has 1 billion shares at at a penny. Um, you know, this is garbage. I mean, toilet paper is a better value. That's complete garbage. I won't even profile that. You know, OTC stocks, I don't understand why anyone would want to buy them when you can get the crap for free, right? No sense buying it. It's absolute garbage. I have no idea what Peter Resnick was doing, even mentioning that. Kind of really made me wonder when I saw that. Uh, yeah, why don't you DM me, Tiddlewinks, and I'll do that. I say she DMs me and she puts the symbol up there. That's what I was trying to avoid. Livermore, are you serious? You're not serious. No, 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 no. Don't tell me that, man. Don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. Oh man. It's okay, Tiddlywinks. Oh, man. Maybe there's two shadow traders? Oh. Oh, that does not make me feel good. I have a lot of respect for Peter. I was just really shocked that he'd put out a profile and do a special report on a pink sheet stock. It was just weird, man. It's just weird. Well, he did say that, he put up a 17B saying he has no position and that he was not paid. Or did he say he was not paid? I don't know. We'll see. Who am I to judge, right? Yeah, let's not go there. I know. I'm just hoping that's not the case. Anyway, moving right along. Come on, guys, segue with me here. No, I'm not an investigative journalist, okay? And who the hell am I? The things I've done in my life, I am the last one to sit in judgment. Good. I am. Well, there's kind of a fine line, Steve. Someone can type it out. He said he wasn't paid under 17B to promote it, but he failed to mention that the director of Shadow Trader is also an insider of this company. Right. So I just find it strange because I've been following him, and this is where I learned about market profile. I just find it strange that he's covering a pink sheet stock. I mean, I get asked all the time, can you help me promote this? And I'm like, no, I don't do that anymore. I don't want any part of that world. Like, get away from me. Anybody see any stocks that they want to take a look at? Oh God. He's not that old. Clove? Okay. Oh, it's a GME candidate? Oh boy, here we go. Oh, cool back. There's Stevie's wheeling and dealing. Oh my God. Why is this only have is this one of those SPAC attack tack pack things? Oh, it's Mr. Here's a picture of me in kindergarten. Yeah. Right. So CLOV. This is Clovis Healthcare. Jesus Christ. There we go. You wonder why the stock is down? There you go. That's just the filing fee. This stock is free. It has zero cost basis. So if you have, man, these guys are just gifting themselves stock just for like, hi, I'm here. Look at the prices of your stock that you bought at, where'd this thing IPO? $15. Yeah, this thing's worth $5 for a bounce, and maybe not even that. Float is 107 million shares. It's not a GME candidate. People are going to get sandbagged in this thing. They got 69 million shares of free stock with a zero cost basis. Don't get married to these things. Use the Ray deadline delivery method. Right? Speed dating and get the hell out. Right? When it breaks your voodoo lines, get the hell out of the thing. Right? Don't believe what these knuckleheads are saying, because just like the song by Ministry, thieves and liars. You see this thing, Ray?
Wait,
back
you
yet?
guys are looking at Clovis?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it from time to time.
Everybody's saying it's going to be the next GME, and there's 69 million shares of free stock coming out into the market.
Yeah, and I mean, not surprising, right?
Yeah, no kidding. It might be good for a technical trade somewhere along the line. What else you guys looking at? Berkshire Hathaway. You guys are quiet today. Quiet Friday. DraftKings. There we go. What's up, Eric? Where's this thing? Cleaned itself up nicely. Went for a run. Now it's balancing, and what it's doing is it's just taking these sellers out here. So it remains to be clean. They'll do one of these and then back up. And if it breaks this, you're looking at the 54s. That's your real, like a size seller will break that, right? Why does BAC have a big balance area? That's the wrong chart. That's another chart. Oh, the balance area is here, double, double, double. It's pretty bad. Head and shoulders, you guys. Triple U, quadruple U, U. Coleman, I don't understand your question. If you could. $5. $5, $5, $5. This one's easy. So as long as the stock holds $5, it's good for pops. If you don't get above that, I mean, if it just keeps trading in this range, eventually it'll break that and come down into this range here. This thing looks like they're issuing themselves stock. Okay, the blue is the balance. Okay. Actually, I'm sorry, man. I started off using this as balance in Bank of America. So it's green, 1, 2 up, green 4, then 8. You still there? Oh, easy gone.
No, I'm here. I'm here. Me?
No, Coleman.
No.
Okay. Yeah, so there's a balance, double again, double again. Sorry for the colors being off. Probably did the chart in a hurry. So are you okay with you? J&J. Cool. What's up for the weekend, Ray? Just chill?
Yeah. No plans. I don't know. Eat good. Maybe go to the beach. The weather's been pretty hot down here, so
Oh, that's nice.
always good for the beach.
Oh, great. They're cutting vaccine shipments to Canada. Wonderful. I swear to God, our politicians couldn't run a lemonade stand if their life depended on it, much less a country. Idiots. Yeah. Yeah, you missed the discussion on our boy Peter.
Peter who? Resnicek?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up with him?
Well, remember he touted that pink sheet piece of crap?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it turns out that a director of that company is also the CEO of Shadow Trader.
No, you don't say. You don't
Yeah.
say.
Yeah, man.
Wow, the game really is to be sold, man. Not told. Oh my god, everyone's favorite.
Now I'm hoping it's a different Shadow Trader. You know, just
Listen, you can't, man.
I know, I know, I
Once
know.
I seen him on that electric skateboard, I don't know. That haircut, his style, I don't know. A lot of questions I have.
I was cool with all of that until that, right? Because he says he's not getting compensated to talk about the company, but he failed to disclose the
Sure.
director.
Right, sure.
And old Livermore went and dug that up.
Yeah, that was weird. I mean, I didn't expect that.
I didn't.
I did not expect that from him. That was weird. As I get
That paper, man. That paper is it'll get you.
mm-hmm.
Johnson and Johnson. What did you see? I saw somebody, they were talking about the Johnson and Johnson vaccine, and some lady on Twitter said, if they screw up baby powder, do you really think they're going to get the vaccine right?
Well, the CEO is he owns the Jets, and so he screws up the fucking football team too. So, um,
I know, Bagrud. I know, right? And you know the old saying, Bagrud, scheme si takum si.
shout out to Croatia. I know, Gabe.
Oh, I didn't know that's the guy who owns the Jets.
Yeah, John. Yeah, Woody Johnson is his name. Yeah. Him and his brother run the team, and they just garbage.
I really feel bad for Jets fans. It's just, it's not right. What else did we want? Oh, Piton. I remember that thing. Didn't they put out, how much is their treadmill? 20 grand? I could go for a walk, but no, I'll spend 20 grand. Did you ever see that write up on Joe Namath that they showed his apartment in New York, when he played for the Jets and he had that shag rug and everything. That was hilarious.
Yo, what a guy, man. Yo,
No,
what a,
Broadway Joe.
he really lived it, man.
No kidding, eh? That's what football. He had a cigarette between plays.
He really lived it, man. He really like maximized like being a star in New York. Like,
Oh yeah. Jeez. It's like
what is he talking about? He's not on mic, is he? Or not on? He's off in his own world in the basement. What is he talking about?
who's he talking with?
I have no idea.
Ooh, Joe Namath?
We bring Yeah, I don't think Joe Namath's in Salt Lake.
No, he's talking to the IADVU guys. He wants to grill the company.
Oh, dude, listen, I'm not no. I love when people do that. Like, ask me this, Jay. Like, when have me and you ever conducted it like an investigative,
Exactly.
type interview?
Right?
We're like Jay Leno or something. We're like, ha he like.
Yeah.
We have fun.
It's better to have he because he's driving around in a Duesenberg. Look what happened to Andrew Left. Somebody probably hung him off a balcony. I'm not putting out any more short reports.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I know I have friends who wanted to hang him off a balcony by his feet. When they wrote about our deals. It's like, I gotta find that little fucker. You want to see us shortly, a little shit? Well, seriously, one time I had to convince a crew not to have him taken out. You put $100 million on the table, people get pretty pissed off when you start slagging their deal. I'm not an investigative journalist. Exactly.
Well, listen, if people want to go do crime, that's none of my business. Okay?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's none of my business. I'm not here to get anyone arrested. I'm not a narc. I'm not, you know what I mean?
I'm not, yeah.
Like, I'm not.
What does Martin Mull say in 2.5 Men? What are you, a cop?
Yeah. Why not? This is not my style.
We just go with the flow.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you just look at Jay Leno now. Look at the lifestyle he's got. He's having the time of his life. No stress.
Yep.
Never went and picked fights with people. Yeah, that's Long Island style right there. Everyone's got so much coffee in them. Do you know who I know? Do you know who I am? Ugh. Right, the boys at Hill Thompson used to always say that. That's how we fight in Staten Island. Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I know? And they go through this whole 20 minutes of telling each other who they are and who they know before they start swinging. That was really funny the way he told the story. Oh, hang on, guys. I'll be right back. 1 sec.
So what? I don't know, Dan. What's Steve talking about here? You guys are gonna go. Who do you think will be the top company? Oh, dude, I don't know, dude.
Guys, I'm going to take this call. You guys have a great weekend.
Who's gonna be the best? I just smoked that shit, man. I don't. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know who's gonna be the top dog.
Exactly.
It's like, I mean,
Don't.
in that industry, so like, I mean,
Yeah.
I think I would guess, right? I'm not no long term investor, but I would imagine people already made their money. Marijuana.
Exactly. Don't buy Canadian marijuana stocks. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys at the close.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ray. Bye for now.
All right. Nice. I smoke. Well, then you have some good product knowledge then. Derman, you got some good product knowledge. You can You can go there. You can you got the consumer point of view. All right, let's take it back over to the live trading desk. On this lovely Friday afternoon. Lovely weather-wise. Price action still kind of shit.